This is a POPIN Toy, and it's one of my kids' favorite toys. It's a playset that lets them use their imagination, create a small world, and interact with each other. And it can do this. And that makes me so happy. I love my kids. Most of the time. I want them to have tons of toys, but I still want to have room for my stuff, and I still want to have room for this dresser. What? I love ugly things. Sue me. So how do I get them tons of toys and still enjoy having space for myself? With POPIN. POPIN are playsets made of reinforced cardboard with a unique folding system called StrongFold. It's a method originating from origami that calculates length and angles to create a sturdy structure. They're so sturdy they can even withstand the famous kids move, climbing on things they're not supposed to climb on. There are 4 POPIN playsets, each designed to spark up different skills in the kids. And they all fold away at the end of the day, so at least for the evening, I can forget I have kids. The POPIN Kitchen demonstrates the primary need for nutrition and caring, allowing kids to role-play their grown-up counterparts and develop their symbolic play skills and creativity. The Playhouse allows the kids to create an area for themselves where they're in charge. The POPIN Pirate Ship table is a great communication trigger where friends sail and play together. And the POPIN car stimulates the child's sense of exploration and gross motor skills. Put them all together, and that's a playground that lets them develop and grow. And when they finally go to sleep, bye-bye kids, welcome adult apartment. Look, this is their old kitchen set, playhouse and car when they're done with it, and this is POPIN. Children Toys Warehouse, a home with space for me and my ugly dresser. POPIN is made of cardboard, so it's also eco-friendly. And it's so light, I have no problem putting one in the car and taking it to other places. My mom, who also really loves my kids, is always happy when I bring it. So the kids don't pass the time using her tea set as a makeshift football. POPIN is made by industrial designers specializing in foldable cardboard products. So if you want a playground that will inspire your kids' creativity, imagination, and play skills, and will leave room for you to feel like your home is actually yours, get POPIN Toys. Get POPIN Toys.